Hey everyone, this is Jeff and welcome back to my channel. I make how-to videos for laser engraving and woodworking. Today I will be showing you how to make a painted canvas print from a digital photo with a laser engraver. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any of my fun projects. I recently took pictures with my grandsons, and this picture was one of my favorites, so I wanted a special way to display it. I've always liked the look of canvas print, so I decided on that. So this is how I turned that picture into a canvas print with my laser engraver. The first step is going to be painting the canvas. It's a simple process of just using spray paint, but it does take a little bit of practice to get the coverage nice and even. I use a good quality enamel spray paint that you can get at any home center or hardware store. I start with 2 coats of white paint as a base, letting each coat dry in between. Then I choose my color code. In this project, I chose a leather brown because I wanted to get a nice sepia tone in the finished project. It is very important that the color coat be nice and even coat and complete so the laser will engrave the details properly. Now it is just a matter of loading the photo into CorelDRAW and using CorelDRAW and photo paint to manipulate the image into something that the laser can work with. The basic concept is to convert the photo to grayscale, then invert the colors. This sounds simple enough, but takes some practice and experience in manipulating photos to get it just right. What shows up on the computer screen is not what the finished canvas will look like coming out of the engraving. It is not difficult, but it does take some practice, and different photos require different settings. So your first few times, it may not look like what you want, but just keep trying. Now all we have to do is just load the canvas into the laser engraver and let the laser do its magic. The settings you use will depend on your particular engraver. I have an Epilogue Mini with a 40-watt CO2 laser tube, so my settings won't necessarily be what you need, but just experiment with your laser until you get the settings correct. Now the print is finished and you can remove it from the laser. At this point you can use a clear coat finish if you want. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't, depending on the finished look that I want. If you want a glossy finish you can use a clear coat, but if you want an old worn look, like in this print, I use nothing. It will be just fine if you don't use a clear coat. Now just install a picture hanger on the back of the canvas and hang it up. You could also have the canvas framed if you want, but I prefer the minimal look without the frame. Alright, so there you have it, a beautiful canvas print made with a laser engraver. I really like the way these look. I also enjoy experimenting with the different types of photos and different colors of paint on the canvas. If you like this video, let me know in the comments and I will make more showing different painting techniques and color combinations. This project really does lend itself to many different creative ideas. So I just want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please hit that thumbs up button if you really like my video, and remember to subscribe so you can see more. Also hit that little bell icon that's right next to the subscribe button to be notified when I upload new videos. There's a lot more to come, and thanks again for watching.